Welcome to SurvivalScope. In the city, life moves fast. But what happens when an emergency strikes? Are you prepared to survive and thrive in an urban environment? This is your ultimate guide on emergency preparedness for city living. Today, we'll cover essential strategies to ensure you and your loved ones are ready for any urban emergency. A citywide blackout can disrupt daily life and access to essential services. Protests and riots can turn violent, making it crucial to know how to stay safe. High-profile locations can be targets for terrorist attacks, necessitating awareness and quick response. From natural disasters to power outages, we'll help you build a solid plan to stay safe. Let's break it down into 4 key areas: planning, supplies, communication, and safety. First, let's talk about planning. A well-thought-out plan is the foundation of emergency preparedness. Start by identifying potential risks in your area, whether it's earthquakes, floods, or even civil unrest. Know the safest routes out of your building and the city. Make sure everyone in your household is familiar with the plan and conduct regular drills. Practice makes perfect. Regular drills ensure everyone knows what to do and where to go in an emergency. Next, let's talk about supplies. In an urban environment, having the right supplies can make all the difference. Start with a basic emergency kit: water, non-perishable food, a first aid kit, flashlights, batteries, and a multi-tool. Don't forget personal items like medications and important documents. Remember, your kit should be easily accessible and portable. A backpack works great for this purpose. Communication is crucial during an emergency. Have a list of emergency contacts and make sure everyone in your household knows how to reach them. Consider investing in a battery-powered or hand-crank radio to stay informed about the situation. Sign up for local emergency alerts and know the frequency of your local emergency radio station. Your home should be your fortress. Strengthen doors and windows with security bars and deadbolts. Consider smart home security systems for real-time monitoring. Finally, let's talk about safety. In an urban environment, staying safe can be challenging. Be aware of your surroundings and avoid areas that are known to be dangerous. If you need to evacuate, do so quickly and calmly. Have a designated meeting spot for your family in case you get separated. Having a plan and knowing where to meet can reduce panic and ensure everyone is accounted for. Emergency preparedness for city living is all about planning, having the right supplies, maintaining communication, and ensuring safety. By taking these steps, you can face any urban emergency with confidence. Subscribe to SurvivalScope for more survival tips. Stay prepared, stay safe.